Hello everyone. Today I have got some awesome news. Google has just launched a free AI course with AI becoming such a big part of our future. Learning about it now can open up amazing job opportunities. These courses are designed for everyone, whether you are just starting out or already have some experience. Google offers courses at different level to help you learn in demand skills. And guess what? When you finish this course, you will earn a digital badge to showcase your new AI skill. Imagine having a certificate from Google on your resume. It's a game changer, right? So these courses are perfect for students or professionals looking to stay ahead in the job market. So now, how to register for this course? Simply press the link which is given in the description box and you will redirect to this page. So from here you can just register for this Google's free AI courses. So when you come down here, you can see introductory course, intermediate course and advanced level course. So these are the three level of courses where you can do. So first we will go to the introductory course. When you click on that, a new page will open and these are the free courses where you can do with zero cost money. So I will just open one course, show you all. So when you complete this all courses, you will earn a digital badge where you can see it is logged now because I've not completed these courses. When you complete this whole courses and you will earn a digital badge. So like this, you can complete all of this course and get a digital badge. So coming to this intermediate course, so some of them are free but some of them are not free. Why? Because when you go for the first course, it's not free. Why? You need to earn a 5 credits in order to do this course. So at some time the Google will also give free credits. So at that time you can grab those credits and you can use those credits in this courses and do complete that courses. So click on this whole course and just randomly check. Some of them will not have any credits and some of them need the credits to in order to complete that course. So like this, you can go to advanced level courses also and see this all things. And so this is about the Google's free AI course. Do register and don't miss out this wonderful opportunity and complete this whole course and earn a digital badge. So thanks for watching. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel.